Moving beyond automations, we are bringing humanized intelligence to life. Today, let's dive into our productions-ready tech that able to solve your toughest manufacturing challenges. In the semicon world, our advanced visions and lightning module master the reflective surface for precise die and wire-bond inspections. Coupled with the sophisticated algorithm, we are able to detect everything from micro crack to underfill bubbles with micro accuracy. With the AI server boom, skill is the challenges. Our V510 AI DSD tackles 100mm core components and double-sided board inspections simultaneously. We are also inspecting thermal paste and underfill to ensure that all these high-performance boards never fail. For automotive, reliability is non-negotiable. Meet our V510 AIR. With its 6-axis robotic arms, we are performing 3D inspections from angular view, catching the flattened pins and coating splash that traditional systems simply miss. The V510 AI DSD is equally vital for automotive, using the smart measurements and focus stacking to solve the impossible inspections for tall components and through-hole pins. They are not just the features, they are your competitive advantages. Don't just take my word. Come and check out the solutions at IPC Apex 2026. We look forward to see you there.